What is up, guys? What do we got over here today? It's the Samsung NVMe PCIe 4.0 M.2 SSD. This is a 990 Pro in a 2TB version. So this is the latest gen, pretty much best hard drive. Why was it the latest gen, not the newest gen? The newest gen heats up pretty badly, and this is an absolute bestseller when it comes to SSDs, M.2 SSDs. So everybody is opting for the last gen, which is as well crazy fast. So let's get it started over here and unbox this video. And of course this gen is much more affordable. Let's see what is inside the box. So we got a seal over here. Bam. Let's take out this bad boy. This is what we get inside the box. Let's check out if there's something else, And here we go. Just checking the box if there's anything else. This is like double cardboard over here. And here we go, the drive itself and some data under it. So let's put the hard drive to the side for now. And let's check out this envelope. Okay, that was not how Samsung intended it to open. Well, I guess that will do. The envelope is a nice touch, by the way. That's something I never seen opening packages. Okay. So the instruction itself doesn't like jiggle inside the box. Let's try to open this one. Samsung SSD. Okay. Download Magic and software. Effortlessly elevate, accelerate, and ascend your driver performance. It's like magic but real. So I heard actually good stuff about this software, and I will try it out myself. And so far this looks just like a normal start kit, so nothing really important over here. Yeah. Here's the drive itself. Let's check it out over here. Beautiful. Can't wait to put it in my PC and test it out. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one.